Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 3. Let L be a line and P be a point not on L. Through P, draw a line M parallel to L. Now join P to any point Q on L. Choose another point R on M. Right? Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Let this meet L at point S. What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? Let us first find. Let us take first the ruler. Here we have taken the ruler. First of all, draw a line. First of all, draw a line here. Right? Let the name of this line is L. Name of this line is L. Let us take this name of the line as L. Right? Now take P be any point not on L. Let us take one point P that is not on L. This point is P, suppose. Suppose this point is P, not on L. We have taken a point P not on L, P. Through P, draw a line M parallel to L. Parallel to L. Let us join this line. Take another point here, suppose Q. So this point is T. Suppose draw a line M parallel to L. Let us take another point, that is Q. Here we are taking a point, that is Q. This point is Q. Now join PQ. Let us join P with Q. Let us join this, that is joining P with Q. We are getting, we join this line Q and P point. This point is Q and this point is P. Let us join this point, right? That is, here we are joining the point, right? We join the point. We have to measure this angle to make parallel lines here, right? Let us join this point with the help of a compass. Let us take an arc here with this pointer. Take an arc here. Right? Here we will draw an arc here. Right? Again we are taking this point at the point P. This point. and draw another arc at this point, right? Draw another arc here, right? Now with the help of this pointer, take this pointer and measure this arc, length of arc from this pointer, and take it here, take this pointer here, right? With this length we can measure another angle, that is alternate angles will be try to make the alternate angle same. Take this pointer again here at this point, and with the same measurement take another arc. Take this pointer here and make an measurement, same measurement here. Take an arc here, right? That is, now with the help of this scale, let us join this line. Let us join this line. Now let us join this line to meet at the point P, right? This is P point. Now draw this line, right? Now here you see this line is M. This line is M. This is M. Now you see M is parallel to L because this angle and this angle is same, and these are alternate interior alternate angles. Therefore you can say that L is parallel to M. Now choose any other point R on M. Choose any other point R on M. Suppose this point is R. This point is R. Right? Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. You have to draw a line parallel to PQ. Here you will make the corresponding angle equal. This for corresponding angles. Right? This angle is equal to this angle. Make the corresponding angle equal. Therefore, we will get a parallel lines to PQ. Right? This angle will be equal to this angle. Right? With the help of this compass, we will draw another line here. Let us take, first of all, let us take an arc here. Let us take an arc. Take this point at the pointer R and make an arc here. Make an arc here. Take this point. Take this pointer here and make an arc here. Right? Now take the measurement of this arc. That is, this arc is take the measurement of this arc, that is from here . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . take the measurement of this angle. Let us take the measurement. Let us take this measurement. Take this pointer here, or take the pointer here and take the measurement. Take the pointer here and take the measurement of this arc, right? Let us take this measurement. And take the measurement here. Take the measurement here with this length of arc. Here you see, you take this point right, this take, right. Now with this measurement you have to draw another arc here. To make the angle same, with this pointer we'll take another arc here, right. Now draw this line with this, right, to make it parallel, because this angle and this angle will be same, right. With this scale, let us draw this line. Now draw a line here. To make it perfectly, right. Now we'll take another name. The name is PQR and this is S point. This point is S, right. Here you see that this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, right. That means angle, right here as that angle PQS is equal to angle, you need the name here as T. PQS is equal to QPT equal to QPT. These are alternate angles, alternate angles, alternate, alternate angles. And here you see L and M are two lines, and if we take PQ as the transversal, then this angle is equal to this angle. If alternate angles are equal, then L is parallel to M. Therefore, we can say that L is parallel to M. And again, here you see this one, that this angle is QPT. QPT is equal to this angle PSRP. SRP, and this is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Here you see these are two lines, that is PQ and RS, and take PR as the transversal. And here you see, if this angle is equal to this angle, that means corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, this line is parallel, right? So we can say that this line, that PQ is parallel to RS. PQ is parallel to RS. Therefore, here you see this line is parallel to this line. QS parallel to PR. Here we find that QS here you find that QS parallel to PR and PQ parallel to RS, and this side is parallel to this side. Therefore, you can say that PQ SR. Therefore, we can say that PQ SR is a parallelogram. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.